All right, so today is the first day of our new adventure. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're having to take our golf cart. We ended up meeting the people that actually we sold our house to, which is just there down down around the corner here. And we met them last night, and we ended up selling our golf cart to them. So before we head off to the airport, we are taking the golf cart over to them since we sold it to them.
So my aunt's following behind us in her car. So we have a quick drive and offload one final thing before we set off on this crazy adventure.
All right, guys, we just dropped the golf cart off and we are heading to the airport. Alright guys, so we're up this morning heading down to the ferry port. The main objective today is to hit up an ATM. We're also going to hit some other shops that we've been wanting to see. It's about a 30-minute walk from where we're staying. We're staying in a really residential area, so that's kind of nice in a way. So yeah, we're going to go check it out down here.
All right, so it looks like we're starting to get a little bit more into the town. We're starting to see a lot more traffic, a lot more motorbikes, some restaurants. Looks like there's a little ice cream shop behind us here, souvenir shop. So I definitely think we have found the downtown, which has probably been about 20 minutes worth of walking so far, and we're gonna make our way down to the water.
All right, so we were going to the port.
10 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. We were going to the port, but we ran into somebody that said there's an ATM right around the corner here. So we're gonna check that out. Or attempt to see if there's one down here. There seems like there's a lot of restaurants also down this road, and then obviously behind us looked like a pretty big strip.
Oh man, it smells so good.
So we're trying to do better on eating, and we just ate a little while ago, and it's like 10 o'clock now.
I thought it was closer to lunchtime, so I was like, let's get tacos, but it's still only 10 o'clock.
We're hungry now, but we're gonna try to hold off at least till lunchtime. All right, looks like we found the ATM.
Oh gosh, I just want to stay in here. There's AC.
All right, so we're doing the math. We just got some money out of the bank.
So I took out 5,000 Mexican pesos, which is about 260
And it
US.
just pesos. It doesn't have to be Mexican pesos.
No, there's different companies that have pesos.
Oh.
And the ATM charge was $1.82, so that was not as bad as I thought.
I think in the US it's like $3.50 or something if you're not using your bank. If you're not using your bank, they charge you like $3.50 just to take money out.
So yeah, this was just $1.82, and I tried to take out a larger amount to kind of do us for several weeks. So yeah, now we can actually get taxis and anything else that we need.
Let's go! All right, so Jessica was just fussing at me because my ADHD's kicking in. I'm down there on the strip. I'm like, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here, and we never made it to any of them. But we were talking about going to the dive shop because we needed a piece of equipment before we go diving. And then I was like, well, let's go to the tattoo shop. So we never made it to the dive shop because now we're heading to the tattoo shop. But we did just happen to walk into the dive shop that she wanted.
So we actually did make it to the dive shop.
So now we're off to the tattoo shop. All right, so we just left the tattoo shop. The guy's name was Monkey. We really liked him. He did a mock draw up of what he was thinking.
But Jason didn't take a picture of it.
And I forgot to take a picture of it, so I've been fussed at. But that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, Jessica, she had one done in Belize. It's a really good tattoo, good start. But it's like it's just missing something, you know. So he's going to add a bunch of coral and just really a lot more of a
ocean scene versus just one object.
Yeah. So we'll keep you posted.
All right, so I'm going to show you, we're still at the ferry terminal, but there is a catamaran. Looks like it's probably a tour, maybe from the cruise, or people are just coming on. But look how many people are getting on this catamaran.
I bet you it is from the cruise ship that's over here to our left.
It's like a tour.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay guys, so we've been here a couple of hours. We made our way to
the grocery
supermarket,
store.
which is
yeah.
just like a 7-minute walk. And while we were in there, we hear the loudest rain
it is downpouring
we've ever heard in our life. So then we had to stand outside the grocery store for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes till it's just this light drizzle. And now we're walking back. However,
the streets are flooded.
And we're in flip-flops. So
yeah,
we'll
so I guess that's a good thing though. We're in flip-flops.
We'll show you what this looks like. How are we gonna walk across this?
I'm gonna make it.
Oh no. Like that's, oh no. Jason.
Whoa.
No.
We can't go across.
I feel like we should go down a little bit.
Let's go down.
Guys, there's so, but like that is probably to like mid-calf level from a 30-minute downpour. Like that was some heavy rain. I swear there's never a dull moment when we enter a new country.
All right, so we'll go across here, I think.
Oh, look at those little buggies.
Yeah. Now, Jessica said that you can rent these things, or something similar to this.
Something similar, yeah. So we can like rent these. It was like, I don't know, like between 75 and 90 US dollars a day. But I think that would be...
Head southeast on Calle Jose Maria Morelos toward 80 Avenue. Sir.
Oh, that was our GPS talking.
Not too bad.
It's, oh.
That was a lot better than what was up on the other end.
Yes. So yeah, guys. So those. Oh, here. Well, I don't think that one quite as much, but one like that for like 75 to 90 US dollars for the day. So it's almost like a fun, self-made excursion to explore the island. So I'm sure we will do that in our month here in Mexico. Oh no.
I don't think there's any way around this one.
Oh. Guys, look. Whoops.
If you don't have any cuts on your feet.
Oh.
Uh-oh, motorcycle
Oh
behind
no. Well, she got through it a lot easier than we are. So first thing is shower.
Or clean our feet off.
At least feet. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've made it back to our little Airbnb. We're gonna unload these groceries.
Show you what all we bought.
Show you what all we got. All right, so we just got back from the grocery store. We kind of laid everything out to kind of get an idea of how much we got. Look at the cost of it. I don't think it was terrible for what we got. So yes, we'll kind of see. So, we want to try and do some breakfast and lunch foods at home and kind of have some snacks and just kind of go out for dinner since we'll be here for an entire month. So we kind of got some cereals and granola bars, stuff to make sandwiches, a couple different lunch meats, cheese. Had to get some condiments to go with it like mustard and mayonnaise. Is that not the cutest little mustard? And we're actually, first night in Mexico, we're just exhausted. So we're going to have spaghetti with pasta out of a box. Well, I guess it's the sauce out of a box. So we're gonna have that. We got several different drinks and milk. you know, some higher price items like your lotions and conditioners for your hair kind of racked up the price a little bit, but ultimately all of this, and there's a couple things in the freezer. We have like some little frozen bagel bites and what is it that you have?
I don't know.
He's got something in the freezer as well. So this all came to about 65 US dollars or 1,221 Mexican pesos. So let us know in the comments if that's a lot. You know, we are in Cozumel, it's a tourist island, so I expect the prices to be higher. But, you know, we also have been to San Pedro, Belize, where you couldn't get more than a pack of bacon for 20 US dollars. So, you know, it's all in comparison. So that's what we got.
All right, guys, so I think we're gonna stay in for the rest of the day. I think we're getting ready to make some spaghetti.
I know, we're in Mexico eating spaghetti, but we're also here for a month, and to stay on budget, we're trying to maybe eat out one meal a day or while we're already out instead of going out multiple times. So tonight it is spaghetti.
Spaghetti night. Let's get
Which
going.
apparently I found out that they have this in a box in the US, but I've never seen it before, and I thought that my spaghetti sauce in a box was the cutest thing I've ever seen.
All right, let's get cooking. All right, we think noodles might be done. El dente.
How do you say that in Spanish?
El dente. All right, guys, I think we're gonna end it here. We're gonna go enjoy our dinner and call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like. And
See you in the next one.
we'll see you in the next one.